Good morning, class 10th. Today our chapter is number 10 and name of the chapter is Light, Reflection and Refraction. And in this chapter we have total 3 topics: reflection of light, refraction of light, and the last one is power of a lens. Next, in topic number 1, reflection of light, we have this much of subtopics, some new terms, then about definition, then laws of reflection, mirror, plane mirror, spherical mirror, then how to represent image formation, uses of concave and convex mirror, then sign conventions, mirror formula, mirror magnification, and the last one is about numerical. So today we will deal with up to 5th subtopic, plane mirror. So now number first is some new terms. This information you must have with you in order to deal with this light chapter. First is about light. What is light? Light is a form of energy that stimulates the sensation of sight. Means it is a form of energy that helps us to observe beautiful colors and everything which is around us. The number 2 is medium. Medium means any substance through which a ray of light passes. The next medium may be of 3 types: transparent, translucent, opaque. Means these 3 concepts you have already with you from your lower classes. Transparent medium means through which light passes completely, for example air. Then translucent means like oily paper through which light passes partially. Then we have opaque means light does not passes completely, like wood, like this laptop, like this pencil. The number 3 is ray of light. A straight line passes along with a light wave travels, and it is represented by a single straight line with an arrow. Okay, this is the representation of ray of light. Then next, the same one, number 4 is beam of light or pencil of light. Beam of light is also known as pencil of light. A group of rays is called beam of light. Just here look, torch, flash. So this one is known as beam of light. This one is lower ray of light, upper ray of light, and this one is flashlight. Again it is of 3 types: convergent, divergent, parallel. Just look here, parallel, the whole width means the thickness here is same, it is parallel, the width of the beam is parallel. Look here, this one is convergent, means here the width is gradually decreasing, it is up to a point, this is convergent ray. And here the width is gradually increasing, it is divergent ray. Then next is reflection of light. Reflection of light means here the light is coming from sun, then up to tree, and then it goes to ice. So the bouncing back of light in same medium, okay, from mirror or maybe any opaque object in the same medium, this is known as reflection of light. Then next is laws of reflection of light. This concept you are already aware in your class 8. You must understand this figure. This figure means incident ray, reflected ray, and then normal. Laws of reflection of light means the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection always. Means if this angle is 30, this angle is also 30. And second law is this incident ray, normal at the point of incidence, and reflected ray. All these 3 rays all lie in the same plane, they are present on the same plane. And about this incident ray is represented here, the arrow pointing towards mirror. Reflected ray is shown by arrow going away from mirror. Then this one is about the laws of reflection of light. These terms you are already aware. Incident ray means coming towards mirror. Reflected ray means the ray is going away from mirror. Normal means which makes 90 with the surface. Angle of incidence is represented by angle I. Reflected angle is represented by angle R. Then mirror. There are 2 types of mirror: plane mirror and spherical mirror. Plane mirror means a smooth, highly polished reflecting surface is called mirror. Spherical means reflecting surface is spherical. It may be concave or convex mirror. Then these are the features of plane mirror: virtual, erect, size is equal, distance equal, and then laterally inverted. then this chapter, this topic we will deal next.